Good morning. Today is AP test day. The test is Monday, May 11th, which is today, and it is at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So remember, you're supposed to check in 30 minutes prior. Have your 8-character AP ID with you. Make sure you have all your reference materials that you'd like to access during the test, either opened up or on a piece of paper that are kind of close by and organized. Remember to set up your Google Docs or whatever you're using to submit. I would use probably a Google Doc and just cut and paste it into the question location and then submit it. I think that's easiest. But it's up to you. You can use Microsoft Word. You can take a picture of it. That's probably, to me, the hardest way, but you guys are more used to doing that thing than I am, so maybe that would be okay for you. However you're doing it, make sure you set up your paper, your Google Doc, your Word document, whatever it is. And then make sure on those Google Docs, make sure you have your 8-character AP ID number. Make sure you have your initials on every single one of them. So there needs to be an 8-character AP ID number for not just the first question, but for both questions, because you're going to have to utilize 2 separate docs. Once you submit it, it kind of goes away. Okay, so make sure that you do that. That is very, very, very important. Okay. The other thing, for those of you that are taking the test, I've kind of looked through a lot of your answers. Concept application question, pretty good. I think it's very much like the questions we've answered all year long. So I think it looks like you feel pretty comfortable doing that. And I would say the answers have been pretty good. I've created a video, like I wrote this actual question out and kind of talked you through some tips. Might not be a bad idea to look at that. That would help out. I've also done the same thing for the argument essay. The argument essay, I think, is, of the two, the one that probably needs the most work. So if you're strapped for time, I would watch the argument essay one for sure. Read my argument essay. Make sure you're adding as many details as humanly possible. As much analysis as you possibly can get. Make sure you flat out say the reason, like connect it to your thesis. Make sure in your thesis you make a claim. Don't simply restate the prompt. Don't simply say things like, hey, because the national government had increased powers, that helped policymaking. You have to say how it helped. So it helped policymaking by having the ability to protect those that can't protect themselves, whatever it is your claim is. And then you connect everything back to that claim, remember. So whatever you say in that thesis, you have to be able to prove, and that's what you're doing for the rest of the essay. So take a look at that video. I think that'll help. I think it's good. Yeah, I think you're going to do a good job. The people that are not, and I repeat, not taking the AP test, I have linked 2 questions. You're going to take my AP test. You're going to also do two AP questions. That should take you about 45 minutes. So very much the same as the others are doing. It's just that will come to me. Those of you that are taking the AP test, I'm gonna get your questions, your answers. So again, if you look in the grade book, I will be able to fill that in when AP gives me your responses. So everybody will fulfill that assignment for this, this thing. That is all I'm gonna have you do for this time period. So if you're in the morning classes, that is all you're doing is the AP test today. If you're in my afternoon classes, hours 4 through 7, and I normally give you stuff on Tuesday, hopefully you're watching this video on Monday, because you're taking the AP test is going to fulfill whatever we do, and that's going to be what I had you do on Tuesday. So basically, you're doing stuff on Monday. Your Tuesday is going to be free from my stuff. Wednesday and Thursday, I'll give you things that will start the rest of the week. To be flat and honest with you, I don't really know what that is yet, so I'll figure it out. We'll move on from there, and then we only have like a week left, so basically three more class periods for all of you. Okay, so that's it. Those of you taking the AP test, be confident in what you know. Just kind of try to think logically through the questions. I know all of you will do a very good job. You've done a great job all year. I have a lot of confidence that you're going to do a great job today. So just stay calm, do the best you can. It's only a test. You're going to be fantastic. So good luck. I know you're going to do a great job. If you have questions prior to test time, I'm going to extend my office hours today. I know usually it's 12:30 to 2:30. That's school mandated. I'm going to make it 11. I have a meeting up until 11:30. We're going to call it 11:30 that we're going to start office hours. If I'm not quite there yet, it's because I'm stuck in my other meeting. I'll be opening up really quickly. So we're going to go from then till like 3:30 when you got to log into your AP exams. So for those 4 hours, I'm going to be sitting here. If you have any questions, if you want to talk about your examples, last minute, like just pep talk, whatever it is, I'll be sitting here waiting. So please give me a shout and we'll figure it out. Other than that, good luck. I think you guys are going to do fantastic, and I'll be thinking about you. So make it happen. See you guys later. Have a good one.